In this clip I want to look at recurring decimals. Let's take the fraction 1/3. What that means is it's a whole one split into three equal parts. So I can write that as a whole one split into 3, or 1 divided by 3. So the same for any fraction. I can change it into a decimal by dividing the bottom into the top. So here 3's into 1 won't go, so I keep the decimal point in the same line. That remains 1. So 3's into 10 goes 3, remainder 1. 3's into 10 goes 3, remainder 1. So each time my answer will be 3, so I can get this recurring answer. So 1/3 is 0.333. That's what we call a recurring decimal, where the decimal keeps recurring. Rather than writing 0.333 all the time, what I can do is use what we call a dot notation and write as 0.3 with a dot over the top, and those then are equivalent. 0.333 recurring is 0.3 with a dot over the top. In the same way, if I have 0.123, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 recurring, I can write that as 0.123 with two dots over the top, covering all the recurring parts. We can also write recurring decimals as exact fractions. Let's take a look at the 0.3. There, 0.3 recurring, which we know is 1/3. What we do is we take the recurring part and write it at the top of the fraction as a numerator. Then the denominator, I need to put the number 9 in there, and I put as many 9s as there are digits at the top. Here there's 1 digit, so we'll just have 1 9. And 0.3 recurring is 3 9ths. If I cancel down, 3 into 3 goes 1, 3 into 9 goes 3, you can see it's equivalent to 1/3. If I have 0.1 recurring, write the 1 at the top over the numerator, 9, and 0.1 recurring is equivalent to 1/9. In the same way, if I have the 0.123 recurring, I can write that as being equivalent to 1, 2, 3. This time there's 3 digits at the top, just the 3 parts are recurring, so I write 3 9s underneath. And that is the exact fraction of that recurring decimal. So if I have 0.1212 recurring, I can write as 0.12, 2 dots over the top, and I can write that then as the exact fraction as 1/2 over 99. And again, I can cancel that down, but that is the exact fraction that represents that recurring decimal.